Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to lock viewport. So you can go to layouts and we have this default viewport. I will create new, you can select and delete. Tap MV to create the new viewport and you can double click to edit. Double click offset to close. Now if you want to lock this viewport, we can use the layer tools. Tap layer, press enter, and I will create new layer with the name lock. After it, you can check these icons to lock the layer, and you can close. You can select the viewport, go to the properties, and then change layer into lock. So the viewport will be automatically locking. To release, you can go back to layer, and then you can click at these icons to unlock the layer. Okay, to click here to lock the layer. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to lock viewport.